Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing my final week in September. Cannot believe can't believe it's almost October. So this is the week of the 21st through the 27th. Following along with my theme for the month, I'm doing flowers and critters. So this week I am also using another Planner Society kit. This is the kit that I'm using this week. It's from, it's the little deer with the really cute floral on this. I'm super excited about this one. I kind of saved this one for the last because I really thought this one would be really super pretty. A lot of different little deer figures in the stickers and got all the label stickers and stuff. So super excited to use this. I probably have too many pieces of paper because I have this floral and then I have the kind of deer antler floral. I got the acetate sheet, which I think is so pretty. So then I've got another acetate sheet, these two pieces, and then this deer I don't even think came with this collection, but I stuck it in here. So I'm not really 100% sure what I want to do. I really like this. I think this is super pretty. I don't really want to use acetate again. I feel like I keep using that, but I think it would look so pretty there in the corner. I think I'm going to do that. I'm just going to cut this out and see. I don't know. I'm just really into the acetate lately, obviously. And, you know, Planner Society has just, because she creates her own stuff. These kits are really old, by the way. There's, you know, they're not the newer kits. These were gifted to me by a dear friend of mine when she moved to Texas. And I need to text her or call her. She gave me a bunch of her Planner Society kits because she didn't want to have to haul them all the way to Texas. So she gifted them to me like a sweet, sweet friend. And yeah, I need to So I'm actually thinking about just hole punching it and making it part of the design, but put it in the hole punch. And then if I do like another piece, maybe I'll just do it like that. Okay, I'm going to cut this piece out. The problem is the Happy Planner punch doesn't really punch acetate very well. It will do it. It doesn't like it. Okay, so let's just say if I put this here, and I put this one up here, maybe I just put I'm just gonna put a strip in the middle. Oh, I need more. All of my pencils are gone. Oh, my pencils are gone. There. That's not a pencil. Dang it. No pencils. Found one. Okay. So maybe if I just do a strip in the middle. And I'm going to cut it so that the deer is kind of in the middle of the strip. Okay, so let's see how this looks. So if I have this here, and then I have this punched into the planner, I kind of like that because it looks like the deer is like in the background of the flowers. I just need to do something with that purple strip up there. I do have the washi tapes I could potentially use. I'm just going to cut a really thin piece of this sticker paper. A little piece. Okay, and then I can use some of these sticker sheets. These little washi tape sheets, but I'm going to cut it really thin. I'll just put a sticker on that one. And then okay, and then I gotta cut a piece from the middle. So I put that there, I put that there, and I hole punch this one and put it there, and then I hole punch this one. No, not that one. Yeah, this one? This one? Yeah, that one. So let me pull that out. I think I'll do I'm gonna go all the way to the bottom. Wait, let me just make sure. That piece is gonna hit the bottom of this. I put it here. No, I don't like that piece. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Okay, so let's get these pieces glued down. And then I think we're ready for sticker time. that's done. And then I think I'm just going to put these pieces in the center. So I've got to get my Happy Planner punch and try to punch those. It's not going to be easy. Okay, so I need to punch it at the bottom punch. Okay, here we go. I gotta stand up for this. Oh, it actually did it. Yes. Okay, and this one, I gotta do the top one. That one, there it goes. Nice. It worked. Okay, so let's put this in the planner. I think that's done. So this is only 3 months, people. I have 2 other planners for this year. This is my 3rd that I'm gonna call done, and I've got my October, December, and November, December ready to go. And yeah, I'm filling up my planners. I'm so excited. I have only 3 months left. And I did a planner every week so far this year. Super excited about that. Okay, so this is going to go on this side. It looks kind of different because it's not right up against each other. I'm going to like put something underneath here. Show this the full effect. That's not going to put over there. And this is going to go on this side. So you can kind of see the thought there. I like that. It's kind of a neat idea. All right, and then I like showing the one from the week before. So here's the week before. So yeah, that is the week before, and then the new weeks is like this. And there you go. All right, guys, well, that was everything I wanted to share with you for this week. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.